Today we're going to be showing you how to make 2 airplanes and 1 boat. Okay, the first one we're going to be making is the flat tip. Then the second one is going to be the dragonfly. And last but not least, the boat. Okay, so let's get started.
Okay, first you need 1 sheet of paper. We're doing the flat tip. Alright. First, for guidelines, fold it in half. Hot dog, you know how they say in your kindergarten years. Easy part. Unfold it. Take the corners and you fold them in. And this is the back, fold them in to the line. Doesn't have to be even, it doesn't really matter because those aren't going to be useful anyways. Now, take the tip and bring it down. Just fold it at the line. Put the tip at exactly lined up with the guideline. And you have a square so far. Now you take the corners and bring it into the center, like so. Fold. Do the same with the other side. Line it up with this other tip and crease. Now, this isn't really that tricky, but I don't know if you see it, but this little flap, we're going to fold it up so it covers these and it doesn't fall out. Fold it up. So it is like so, if you can see it. Alright. Now what you're going to do is take it and fold it up in half. So on the side view you end up with this. Then you take this top corner and fold it down so that you leave, I don't know if you can see this well, but you kind of leave like part of the tip up and it's slanted. So you do the same with both sides. And unfold. Flat tip. Alright, next we will be showing you the dragonfly. Alright, with the paper, what you do is you take 1 corner and fold it so it's lined up perfectly like this. It's kind of hard. Just line up the edges well. Alright, so it looks like this, kind of like a weird taco. So you unfold it and you do the same with the other side. Now this side's easier because you just line up the creases. This is the tricky part. You let them fold, and now you see an X. You kind of fold it up and you push in so it looks like this, and take these and push down. You have to kind of play with it so that the tip comes out good. Crease the bottom part and then crease the sides. Now, from here, there's going to be flaps that open. You take the flap and you bring it up to the top corner, or the tip, and you do that for both sides. Try to make it as good as you can. Alright, then you take this tip tip and fold it down to the bottom of the diamond. See, you see the diamond? I don't know if you can see it, but so you just fold the whole thing down. So you end up with something like this. See how I fold the whole thing down? Now, you just fold it, you put it this way, and fold it in half up. Try to line everything up perfect. See? You should come up with a little house thing with, I don't know. Well, from here, you're gonna have to start ripping. If you want to do it good, you could do scissors, but from the top, you tear down from where you see the flaps. You just tear down a good 5 inches until whenever you want, and then you rip down. So you get something like this. The wider you have it, it makes the flight different. Sometimes if you have a really small, then it'll when you throw it, it'll go like this, flip, and then it'll go like this, fly this way, and it'll start flipping. But from here, you take the top one of this triangle part and fold it down to the corner over here, like so. Whoops. And leave this, just fold the wings, don't fold this, because you'll mess it up. And just do that to both sides. So now you have like this, and you have the 2 flaps, and you unfold, and there's your dragonfly. Alright, next we're gonna do the boat. This actually floats if you do it well. If you put it in the water, it floats. So we're gonna do that. Alright, you take your hat and you fold it hamburger way. Like so. So you have this. And you should have this fat margin down, so you know. And if you want, you could even fold it in half to have like a middle line, and you fold it to that last line. Now with these, there's flaps. See, now you fold it up like that, and you do it to the same on the back. Try to line it up all good, because if you don't, it'll probably rip. So now you have like a sailor hat, kind of. Now with these edges, you tuck it, I don't know if you can see it, but you tuck it in onto the other side, and you just put that. Now you do the same thing to the other side. This is kind of tricky, but alright, so now you have a triangle. Now what you do is you open it up, just so it's like went, and you fold it down so you have a diamond. You want to have these little bar things. So if you don't have these bars, these flap things, you're not doing so well. Now you take the open flap corner and you fold it to the other tip, and you do the same to the other side. Now from here you do the same thing, open it and then close it. If you want, you could open it now, but it'll be kind